So right now there is a tornado warning issued for Blue Earth County, and I gotta be in Burnsville in an hour and a half. I'm gonna quickly go out, chase this, see what we can find, and head back into town. Should be interesting. I've never chased yet this year, and this one's got very good signature on it. So this will be fun. You guys are wondering where I am right now. It's County Road 5, just north of Waseca, heading west. You can see the mean lookingness in the clouds right over there. That's what I'm looking at on radar. Be right in that direction. Actually, looks like right up here they're going to be looking at the storm too. Yep. This is a tornado warned cell. It'll be north of Janesville, about 5-6 miles as of now. Check the radar quick. The updated radar shows that there is now another tornado warning issued on this storm. It must be confirmed, not just radar indicated. Normally they wouldn't do that yet. Do have another, appears to be storm chaser behind me. Right in that area. It's just north of Janesville now. Looks like it could be rain wrap if there's even a tornado signature in there at all. This guy appears to him, but he's driving right on the wrong side of the road straight at me. if this produces a funnel, I'll be out of the way and everyone's in their safe places and it doesn't drop on anyone's home. We're getting rain though, so I need to turn around here because it's gonna hail pretty quick here. The life of a storm chaser. Not seeing anything. It's gonna be really rain wrapped, so I gotta get out of this. I'm gonna get turned around on a crossroad. Could drop the funnel right on me for all I know. Gotta get out of this rain. I can see it right above me. You can see all these low-hanging clouds. I'll be just on the back side of it if it's gonna drop anything. So right now I'm in the safe spot. We're gonna get out and take a look up here. Pull off on the left side. We're just northwest of Waseca, about 6 miles right now. Not gonna be able to get out of this rain now. Park right here in the middle. So yeah, if there's a tornado right now, be right in between this line here and that line over there. Looks like there may be nice updraft right around there. These clouds are getting lower and lower. Nothing too concerning for me yet. Once it starts hailing, I'm getting out of here. Yeah, I know, I'm looking. That's why I came over. Tornado warning, 4:15, take shelter. I'm out here, I don't see anything. It's a confirmed tornado when they send that out, and I don't see anything. This all right here, it's all rotating. It's gonna be hard to see on camera, but this whole system, right back there, you can see where it's gonna form. I gotta get moving. I gotta get moving. Gotta get moving. This is where the fun adrenaline part of storm chasing comes in, ladies and gentlemen.
Has issued a tornado warning for northern Waseca County until 4:15 p.m. At 3:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over James.
Oh yeah, definitely, most definitely.
Mankato, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornadoes.
Holy shit.
This is a radar-indicated threat. Law enforcement reported a funnel cloud.
Yep.
The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
If anything, I'm gonna cut way north of this, and I'll be just fine north of it.
Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Waseca around 3:55
There's a
p.m.
person walking on this road down here. They better get out of here.
This tornadic thunderstorm includes Smithsville Airport. This includes U.S. Highway 14 between mile markers 144 and 160. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest
There's
floor.
tornado warnings out, man. You better get moving.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors,
Keep on going.
Yeah, it's gonna be right around in this area too. It's gonna probably head through.
Yeah, I know. I've been here in the clouds.
Yep.
I gotta get my walking done.
Yeah. Have a good day. Stay safe. I'm just trying to find a funnel cloud, guys. That's all I want. There's a confirmed funnel spotted by law enforcement. So, at least that's what I heard. I can't obviously read the stuff as I'm driving. But I'm gonna pull off here on Old 14. You can see the funnel right there. You can see it. I don't know if I'll be able to get it on camera. It's right over there somewhere, right above. So I'm far enough away. This is gonna go south of me. But yeah, I'm not trying to get drenched out here. My phone is completely wet. I could see the funnel for a brief second. Oh wow, that was a bright lightning flash. So anyone driving that way right now is driving straight into the storm. You can see all these clouds on this side over here, all very low. There's that thunder and the lightning. None of these clouds are even moving above me. They're kind of rotating back and forth, you can see here. Other than that, there's not much of anything else going on. Can't really. So yeah, all right in here too. Hopefully I don't get struck by lightning. That'd be interesting. Come on, drop me another funnel. Head back inside. This whole system is just stalled right over this area right now. Check the radar. So according to my radar app, the signatures of the tornado are going to be coming right my direction. So we're going to move back north. And let me check the radar again. Alright, if I see something coming my way, I'm hightailing it the hell out of here. I can tell you that much right now. I don't see anything. There's nothing above me. Get turned around. Yeah, because basically now, right in front of me here, it's about 3-4 miles in front. That's what would be dropping the tornado. So, I'm gonna head back this way and, alright, Still live here, just Old 14, 2 miles west of Waseca. It's the city of Waseca. We're about 5 miles out in front of this storm right now. It's heading right for Waseca. So anyone in the Waseca area, in the city of Waseca, you need to be in your storm shelters, in your basement. Just be safe. You don't mess around with these type of things. You never know. Maybe this is the year we'll get hit. Who knows? It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. We're gonna go back on the north side, or the south side of this, because it's gonna head right, according to the tornado warnings, it's gonna head right towards Waseca. We got 34 minutes left on it till it expires. It's probably, if it's gonna drop a funnel and touch down, it'll be rain wrapped and I won't be able to see it. Looking back behind me now, I don't see anything. It's dark, so this type of stuff, you gotta stay out in front of it to see it. Looks like we got another storm chaser up here on the right. Yep. Oh, jeez, you can see all right here too. Got storm chasers up here even. On the left. I have a convergence of storm chasers. Oh wow, you can see everything right in here too. I'm right underneath the front of the cell, so I'm in the safe spot as of right now. Shut up, radio. Get my height advantage. Wipers just pushed me off. That's funny. There's really not a whole lot that I could see from this angle. Obviously, you could see ground rotation, rain off in the distance. Those clouds right there, very promising for a tornado. It's not raining here right now, so I'm in the perfect spot of the storm where I won't get hailed on. I'll go double check the radar quick while I wait. It's a beautiful storm. All these big clouds here. Not a whole lot. Nothing yet. Might have something forming right here. It's not rotating, but it's kind of, I don't know. It's all right in here. This whole system right in front of me you're looking at, that whole freaking thing is rotating. Right above that tree line, that right there is all rotating. And that's only about half a mile from me, so it's a fast moving storm. We're gonna head south more here and keep on trucking. Yep, see, we're starting to get raindrops again. Gotta move. Perfect timing on my part. right out in front of the storm. You can see right here on this line, that's all the low clouds. And then above it, the lighter clouds where the blue is all the light. And that's where the storm's at, right under it. Right under the front side of it, the safe part as of right now. As long as you keep moving, eventually I'll have to go east. But right now we're just going south. I'm gonna get on top of this bridge, and if I need to, get under it. If not, stay on top of it. My set's to drill right now. I can go up here yet. So now we're over the new highway. Gas, oh, I got a full tank. Turn my hazards on since I kind of am in the middle of It looks like it's weakened a little bit. I don't know how it looks on radar, but it's definitely weakened in person, as you can tell. Just look at the way this cloud here, all this low. Everyone driving on this highway right now is probably okay. It looks like it'll be more on the west end. This isn't gonna drop anything right now. It's too weak. In fact, you can barely even see, but this whole thing here is it's a wall cloud. I'm following it with my finger on the camera for you. There's one kind of up there too, but that one's not big. I'm wondering what the front of this whole base looks like. It's probably huge. You can tell, you can see just off in the distance. Maybe you can't, but I definitely can. Oh yeah, you can see it. There's rain coming behind it. You can see it over there towards the highway. It's gonna be right underneath that cloud, so. Nothing above me. You always want to check above, just in case. See just the swarm of storm chasers making their way towards this bridge. Got one car there, there's another one coming down. This little light on. Now this whole storm is going backwards. This is going to probably produce. I need to move. Son of a bitch. Not going on any gravel roads because watch those storm chasing people. They get stuck on gravel roads, and these things called Dominators are freaking huge, and they get stuck. Okay, I'm a little too far out in front, but I kind of want to see. We're gonna move way out in front. I'm gonna hit this gravel quick and go all the way down to County Road 4, and we'll sit out there in front of it. Let me double check my radar quick. All right, we're back live here. About 5 miles now south of Waseca on a gravel road, just around the corner from when my grandparents used to live, and I gotta slow down. This road is not in good shape. Got 3 storm chasers in a line behind me, and we're all heading down. It appears they're following me, so hopefully they don't think I know what I'm doing, because I kind of do, kind of don't. Like, this road could be a very bad decision right now, even though I can tell I'm not gonna get stuck on it. It's very soft though in some places. Megan, I saw you tried calling me. Can't answer, kind of busy right now. That whole storm back there, though, it's not producing yet, but I could tell it was trying to. So I got the hell out of there. Even on radar, the rotation signature shows that it's definitely gaining a little bit of strength. Nothing too serious. See if these guys are behind me. I'm not seeing them. Oh yeah, there they are. Yep, they're all behind me yet, following me down. It's nice chasing in an area that you know, like you know all the roads, you know all the shortcuts, you know how to get to the pavement the quickest and stay out in front. I'm going about the speed of the storm, so it's moving at 45 miles an hour. Pretty fast moving storm. Nothing too serious. I can't see comments right now, so I don't know what's happening on my comments. Oh, that was scary for a second. I thought we were gonna get dropped with hail. Alright, so get out past this hill up there and we'll be in good position. Yes, phone, I know there's a tornado warning. I'm very well aware of that. They must have just graded this road a couple days ago or today. It's pretty bad. Holy crap. Cows! We got cows! Cows, you need to go take shelter, man. Somebody actually prepared to let those cows out. If anyone knows how to turn comments on Facebook Live, I can't see any of them right now. We got my line of storm chasers still back there. Ooh, wow, that was rough. I need to get myself a little Wii U light on this vehicle. That vehicle's sitting there, it's just a sitting duck right now. We're gonna move out to the west here a little bit and we'll see what's popping down there. For all I know, this could have dropped the tornado already and been done with. Doesn't look like it though. Alright, not a lot of room to pull off here. Let's see. So yeah, this is what I was pointing out earlier, but now this wall cloud is kind of separated. You can actually see it now. It's intensifying. But it looks like this could be the funnel here, so I'm going to move the other direction. If that's going to drop, it'd be right there. I'm like not even a mile from it. Looks like Megan's caught up with me now. I see you back there. You coming with? You coming with? Hey, we need to move though. Like actually. Go that way. Cause alright, let me double check this quick. Holy shit, that thing's gonna drop. Oh my god, we gotta go. Come on, minivan. Fuck, it's right there. It's, oh my god, that's me. Oh, right there. That is gonna drop. Megan, you need to hurry and get out in front. You're hearing me, you gotta go like 70. It's right there, I'm driving right by it. I'm not even a quarter mile from that. It's right there.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Steele County, northeastern Waseca County until 4:45 p.m. At 4 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Waseca, or 17 miles west of Owatonna, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage.
Got out of there quick.
I'm
gonna get up on top of this hill and see what I can see.
The storm will be near Waseca around 4:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Waseca Airport, Hope, and Lemon. This includes U.S. Highway.
Yep, you can see it all right here. I'm on the safe side of it now. Holy shit, this wind though. Megan, where'd you go? It looks like it weakened. Oh, I feel the inflow. Inflow is right here. I'm right in the inflow right now. You just feel it. It's picking up power. I can just feel it. It's just, I can see the rain coming here. You can see right here, all these clouds, this is how you know you're in the inflow. These clouds here are sucking that way. And those ones over there are going that way, and that's what gets the rotation going. And it's could be there, could be here. But I am in the inflow, I'm standing right in it. Basically what that means is all the power that's gonna generate that funnel for dropping is right there. And I'm standing, I don't know, it could be 1,000 yards that way. But yeah, all of this here, this whole system is rotating. From that, if you follow my hand here, that line of clouds, it's all rotating. So yeah, you can see it doing stuff right here. I'm fucking right under it. Fucking move again. Mom, if you're still watching this, don't worry, I'm filling your tank up when I get back into town. Alright, turn that off. What the hell? How does that just turn back on? That's not how it works. Go down this road. Well, it's still, see, look, it hasn't even rained here yet. This road is completely dry. That other road I was on, it's shit. Yeah, right here is where it's gonna, if it's gonna produce, it'll be right on my left side here. Highway 13, if anyone's going off some, you know, the Minnesota directions. We're about 4 or 5 miles away from there to the west. So if we went 5 miles east, we hit it. But yeah, right in here is where it would be. I gotta check my radar. I haven't checked it in a good while, but I'm just basically chasing by the eye, and I really, it's probably the safer way to go anyway. Sometimes you can't trust 100% trust radar. You can't trust the forecast. Why can you trust the radar? Yep, we're gonna keep heading down this road. It looks like it's heading fairly decent line too. But yeah, standing in that inflow, wow, you can just feel the energy in the storm. Wonder how much hate I'm gonna get for holding my phone in my hand on this live video. Got 47% battery, not too bad. We're gonna get back out, and once I feel the inflow again, we'll start heading forward. You can see right there in that little wispy cloud, that's trying to produce a funnel, and it's not strong enough yet. Look at this, we got sunshine. It's a weird storm. Coming up on a crossroad. We got something flying in the air over there. I don't know what that is. We're gonna stop up here and wonder where all the other storm chasers went. They're not following me anymore. But we're gonna keep staying slightly ahead of this. Oh, there's a helicopter over there. I just crossed two something. Alright, pull off here and see what we got. Oh god, it's way hotter on this side of the storm. Boy, do I feel it. It's probably 80, 85 degrees right where I'm standing. See what I was saying before when I was in the inflow? Look how calm it is here. This corn's not, there's a slight breeze. It's very hot here. And I feel like as the day goes on, this is probably gonna drop something. I don't know if it will when I'm on it. I'm not gonna be chasing it too much longer. Of course, I don't really want to miss anything either. I hope I turn my wipers off. I'm gonna get smacked with them again. Yeah, not anything too serious right now. Just a cool looking storm moving along. But yeah, it looks like the clouds have moved up a bit. It's very calm out here right now. I can start to feel the wind pick up a little bit. Yeah, beautiful storm. It looks very dark on camera, but trust me, it's really not that dark over there. You can hear the clouds and thunder. A little bit of rotation right here. Obviously, this whole thing is pushing along. I want to see if it's... Go check my radar quick. It's kind of funny, I just checked the radar and all the rotation signatures are kind of in the area that I'm at, but the tornado warning is more that direction right now. More like 3 miles that way. But I want to see what this back here is, because if anything, that's probably what it is. I can start to feel the wind pick up again. You can probably hear it on camera too. I just want to see my first funnel. I kind of did earlier. Oh yeah, here comes the inflow. All this cold air. And look at the corn start to move here. Yep. Back on the inflow. Oh wow, it's giving me literal goosebumps. It's so cold in the inflow. Wow, like I can't even stand up. The inflow is really strong on these storms. Seems like it's weekend. It's still a strong inflow though. Look at this nice wall cloud just rolling along. No funnels. Kind of in a bad spot with these trees here. We're gonna move. We're gonna go back down this way and cut left. Be hit pavement pretty soon. I'm gonna check my radar again as I move and get back to you in just a second. Alright, we are back live on Facebook. I don't really know what to... I know I gotta go east. Some beautiful horses over there. Yeah, I don't know. It's definitely moving. Seatbelt dinger must have just gave up on life. It's not even dinging at me right now. It's in shock. Alright, we're coming up on... I don't know, I gotta find all my other storm chasers. Where'd they go? They're probably out where the storm's actually moving. I'm in the wrong direction of it where it's moving. I gotta cut back in front here. Gotta move fast too. Alright, we're 280th and 100th Street. If anyone needs a reference on maps. But you can see there's a helicopter right over here. Maybe you can't see it. Oh yeah, you can kind of see it there. Please don't back out in front of me right now. Looks like we got somebody watching the storm up here. Yeah, it's losing strength as we speak. There's more helicopters. I see another helicopter up here. Must be a couple helicopters on this storm for some reason. It's either that or they're just spraying crops, who knows. Alright, we're on Wilton River Road in 100th. Maybe County Road 20. Make sure no one It's coming, don't want to die. It's a very weird storm. Very, Mother Nature-like, can't make up its mind. Slow down around this turn. Now we're getting back into the west side of Otisco, southwest. There's no paved roads over in this area for a little while, so we're going to be on gravel for quite a bit. We're about 3 miles southwest of Otisco. This road will take you towards New Richland now that I'm turning on. Alright, they just tornado warned this until 4:45. Current time is 4:16, so it's definitely, there's still some worries at the weather center here. Well, not here, but there, wherever they are, you know. I don't know, it's really rotating, but it's just not quite strong enough. It's very hot though on the front side of the storm. And once you hit that airflow, you feel the temperature drop. It's probably 20 to 30 degree temperature drop. So the fact that this isn't actually producing is kind of interesting to me. And it looks like it might be though soon. You can see right in here. Right where that little V thing is on your screen, there is a lower cloud there. Oh, it looks like we got a line of people here. Who knows, maybe once it gets towards the Albert Lea, Freeborn County area, it'll produce something, because that's kind of what these storms always will do. They'll get down in there, and I don't know how they get all their energy down there, but they do. They just, always. So, maybe once it gets that way, it'll drop something. Seems to always be the case. Turn the radio back on. We're going to slow down here because these clouds
The
are...
National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Thiel County, east central Waseca County until 4:45 p.m. At 4:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles southeast of Waseca, or 12 miles southwest of Owatonna, moving southeast at 25 miles
Oh my god, all these clouds over here are dropping right now. I'm just watching it.
Tornado. This is a radar indicated
make
threat.
sure we're clear.
The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Ellendale around 4:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Hope and Lemon. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 27 and 35. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Oh god, yeah, it's definitely getting more energy as we speak here. I'm gonna turn that off now that I got my update. Even right here on this backside, that little thing there, you can't see it, but I definitely can see it. All these clouds are starting to get lower. It's kind of like I figured. We are still on the front side of the storm. I'm about to be driving right under all of this. I'm gonna turn my hazards off now that we're gonna be on the highway. Oh, looks like, yeah, this whole thing is still very strong. It is dropping as we speak. Clouds are starting to, ooh, it's probably gonna produce. Ooh, nice lightning flash there. Convergence of people checking out the storm. Ooh, yeah, hop right out into the inflow. It's definitely stronger inflow than it was earlier now. The first and second time I felt it. Funnel. Spin, come on. Spin. We're gonna move back up. This is probably gonna produce within the next 10-20 minutes, guys. So if you're interested in that type of stuff, stay live. Got this stupid truck in front of me, he's watching it too. But yeah, it was just producing a funnel there for a brief moment and it pulled up. That was not really a tornadic funnel, that was more of a wind funnel. I know we were talking about that in the Skywarn chat the other day. But yeah, we got a convergence of people watching this storm. Car here, there's 3 back there, this truck, just everywhere. So yeah, it's gonna be right on my left side again like usual. Staying on the safe side of it. It's moving, and the side I'm on, I'm not out in front of it anymore. I'm on a little bit of the back side. Holy shit, that truck really took off. I'm already doing that, and he's doing whatever he's doing. Going faster than me. I need to plug this crap in. Would be nice to get on top of that hill. Not really anything going on. It looks like it just lost a lot of power. All low ground here. Can't tell how far out in front I've got, so turn off soon. I think the road is right up here. Turn signal's out. Mom, we need a new turn signal. The other one still works, just not that one. It's interesting. Jeez, this road is awful small. Still following the storm. We're about right in line with it now. We're at 250th and 145th, heading south now. We're still in Waseca County. We are just northeast of New Richland, about 4 miles, 3 to 4 miles. Getting out in front again, trying to anyway. Obviously, storms move faster than I can drive. So far we're keeping pace, so that's good. once again, we're on one of these really shitty gravel roads. That Waseca County might as well be famous for at this point. Looks like it's just lost all power. I'm not seeing anything anymore. I'm gonna check my radar. It was warned until 4:45. We still got 20 minutes. It looks like, yeah, it's lost a lot of power. Seems, and if it started slowing down and did what it did earlier, when it almost produced, we definitely have a tornado. But oh Jesus, not anything yet. Yeah, these clouds are all high up now. Let me check my radar. Alright, we're gonna be going east for a while now. There is tornado signatures on radar. Actually, I'm driving right up on it here. We're gonna get out in front of it a bit. Looks like we got a convergence of storm chasers again. I'm gonna put my seatbelt down. There's a cop up here, so I gotta put the phone down. Oh yeah, guys, I'm watching it right now. It might be getting a little stronger. The cop's basically there to tell people to stop going this direction, but we're all going this direction still. Beautiful day for some storms. It looks like it's starting to gain rotation again. That other cell I was following earlier completely dissipated. It's gone now. I don't know, it looks like we might have a funnel producing something to the lines of that. And maybe one right up here. There's another hook coming down. There's another one over here. These are all low clouds. It'd be that one there, that one over there, and that one over there. That we had to kind of watch here. I gotta keep moving though at the speed I was, or else I'm never gonna get out in front of it. So we're gonna keep driving, and I'll keep it posted as we drive here. If I see anything, pick my phone back up other than, oh my God, tornado on the ground, wow. Tornado on the ground. I gotta call this in, I'll be right back.